Here at Allied Plastics, we specialize in custom thermoformable solutions. So our whole process begins in what we call the IDEA Center. IDEA is an acronym for Innovation, Design, Engineering, and Application. It's an entire space dedicated with full-time engineers on staff to help our customers with their projects. After the engineering team has helped with the design and kicks out a design, we then also have the capability to extrude our own material in-house. We have 2 sheet extrusion lines that can produce the material for the job. All the sheet we extrude here is custom to the job. Once the material is produced, the sheet is then formed on our many thermoforming machines. Looking closer at the vacuum forming process, we can break it down into 6 simple steps. The first step is the loading process. The vacuum forming tooling, usually water-cooled aluminum, is loaded into the vacuum forming machine and warmed. Then the extruded plastic sheet is placed in a pneumatic clamp frame and held in place on all 4 sides. After loading, the sheet is indexed to the oven station and heated to its forming temperature, typically from 285 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. As the sheet heats up, it softens, loses strength, and begins to sag. At the forming station, the tool is raised or lowered to meet the surface of the sheet. Then a vacuum of air is applied to draw the sheet over the shape of the tooling, pulling the sheet against the tool. The sheet will thin as it stretches over the tool, with the thickest section being where the sheet first touches the mold surface. The 4th step in the process is cooling. The plastic is cooled by external fans and the water-cooled aluminum tooling. The formed part has to remain on the tool until it reaches the proper demold temperature before it is ejected. The cooled part is removed from the machine at the same station that the initial flat sheet was loaded in. Typically, the part will continue to cool for 2 to 3 more cycles in a cooling fixture before moving on to the 6th and final step of the process, trimming. Parts can be trimmed by hand, CNC, or robot depending on the tolerances of the part. After the parts are trimmed, Allied has the capability to perform many finishing and assembly processes.